This last chapter is 6E on the area of a circle. And so just a few things about understanding the area of a circle. When you have a circle, a chord is a line joining 2 points on the circumference. So it doesn't matter where, it doesn't have to go through the center, but this right here from one end of the circle to the other is called a chord. The segment right here that's colored in, well, is a segment. It's the region enclosed by the chord and the arc.
So finally, the next part is that the word semicircle basically means when you have a diameter, meaning when one part of the circle goes through the center to the other side, cuts the circle in half to make a semicircle. And a circle naturally has two. The sector is basically the region when you draw a line down the center, from the center out to the edge, which is your radius, to them, to create this segment right here, which is called a sector. Now, in this skill, we're talking about the area of a circle, and it's similar to working with the circumference of a circle. The area of a circle, now remember the word area, basically means the space within. When we talk about the circumference of a circle, we're talking about the space on the outside, the circular fence. So here we're actually working with area. And the formula for finding the area of a circle is simply pi times r squared, which really, if you break it apart, is pi times r times r. Now, in this problem, we want to use pi to be 3.14. We're rounding off pi. So we want to figure out the area based on the information given in each problem. So in the first problem, you're given the radius, and then in the second problem, you're given the diameter. Now, understanding the concept of how a diameter relates to a radius, you use this information here to find the area of a circle. So at this time, pause. Okay, so given that you know that the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, in A, all we have to do to find the area is basically take 3.14 times 4 times 4. And if you do that, you should get 50.24. Now it's in units of centimeters, and it's area, so it's squared. In the second problem, we have a diameter, but this formula requires that we use a radius. So the radius in this problem is actually half of it, which is 7 centimeters. So you would find the area by taking 3.14 times 7 times 7, which would give you 153.86 centimeters squared. And that's all.